Hey everybody, I'm James Brierton, and we have got to talk about this extreme heat. 104? So here's what's happening. We've got a high pressure dome just right over the southeast. It is bringing in the heat and keeping out a lot of moisture. We do have a severe weather threat. We'll tell you about that, but first, look at these heat numbers. The week started with record-breaking heat in places not only Charlotte, but including Asheville and Columbia. Look at these numbers that the National Weather Service in Charleston put together. This is when we take humidity plus temperature to measure that heat index. 111 in Mount Pleasant, 105 in Savannah, Waltersboro, 106, and there's more of this to come. High temperatures on Tuesday in South Carolina could reach 104 in Columbia, and that's just the air temperature. That's not the heat index. With the heat index, we could be pushing 110. When you take that humidity plus the air temperature, it is going to be uncomfortable. 96 in Charleston, 100 in Greenville, 100 in Rock Hill. We'll be pushing triple digits in North Carolina, 98 on Tuesday in Charlotte, 96 in Greensboro, even the mountains, Boone, at 88 degrees. And it doesn't get any better as the week goes on. Here's Wednesday in South Carolina, 102 in Columbia, 99 in Dillon, 100 in Florence. It's still 99 degrees in Greenville-Spartanburg, even Charleston, 94. Thursday, we're in the 90s. I mean, with any luck, the actual air temperature on Thursday may not hit 100 degrees in South Carolina. But again, with that heat index, it's gonna feel like it. Friday, we're gonna flirt with 100 degrees again. 100 in Columbia, 100 in Camden, 100 in Orangeburg, 100 in Barnwell. You see where I'm going with this, right? North Carolina, you're not getting off much easier. Wednesday, 97 in Charlotte, 96 in Raleigh, 89 in Elizabeth City, 91 in Jacksonville, 101 in Fayetteville. Okay, how about Thursday? 97 in Charlotte, 98 in Raleigh, 84 in Boone, 102 in Fayetteville. I bet you see where this is going. On Friday, we'll get a nice relief of 91 in Charlotte. It's gonna feel great. All kidding aside, heat is very dangerous. It's one of the leading causes of weather-related deaths in the United States. Because if you remember back to science class, our bodies are not good at cooling themselves down when the air temperature and that humidity are above our actual body temperatures. Our bodies cool themselves down by sweating, and then when that sweat evaporates off our skins, it cools us. But when the air is hotter than our bodies, that process doesn't work. So you need to protect yourself. Watch for heat exhaustion. Dizziness, thirst, heavy sweat, nausea, and weakness are all signs of heat exhaustion. If you find yourself confused, dizzy, or becoming unconscious, or observe somebody who is, you need to call 911 immediately because they might be having a heat stroke. Act fast. Don't wait. We won't be completely without rain this week, but it's going to be few and far between. What does arrive could be severe. Take a look at this line of storms expected late on Tuesday into overnight Wednesday. Could bring gusty winds, maybe a few isolated tornadoes and hail to eastern North Carolina. While this event is eye-catching because it could produce potential derechos across portions of the mid-Atlantic, every one of these days this week could bring about scattered storms, some of which could be severe. You need to stay weather aware. All this week, you need to take precautions. Limit your time outside. Exercise inside, not outside. And of course, stay hydrated. Take care of yourself. Check on your neighbors. Check on your friends. Check on your family members. It's going to be a record-breaking heat wave this week in the Carolinas. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our audio podcast. We're going to have weather updates throughout the week, and an all-new edition of our weekly series, the Carolina Weather Group, comes your way Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. Be sure to subscribe to be notified when that episode drops. For now in Charlotte, I'm James Brierton. Stay cool, stay safe. We'll talk to you again real soon.